The company Rooppur has been part of the Rooppur NPP construction project in the People's Republic of Bangladesh since 2017. In 2019, our professional team completed 41 facilities at the construction yard number 2. For the last 2 years, having landed new contracts to construct new facilities, we only reinforced our standing on the project. In the vicinity of reactor number 1, Rooppur is constructing 3 significant facilities, consisting of multi-story site-cast concrete buildings. Administration and personnel amenities buildings, 8-story administration building, canteen with conference hall, a 4-story atrium building. For these facilities, we have mobilized our own 3-tower cranes with payload of 12 tons and height of 32, 47, 53 meters. All 3 facilities will be interconnected with 5 covered pedestrian galleries of the common access area, accommodating travel between the buildings without going outdoors and allowing direct access to the reactor. Currently, the construction works on main structures are at their final stage, and the following building activities are ahead: interior finishing works, arrangement of ventilated facades and flooring cover, ventilation and air conditioning systems installation, installation of water supply lines and sewage systems, electrical installation works, and subsequent startup and commissioning. Rooppur operates its own 2 concrete batching plants, with a total output of up to 100 meters cubed to produce high-quality concrete on-site. Actual concrete delivery is facilitated by 10 concrete mixer trucks, 7 cubic meters in capacity each. The quality of output product is routinely checked by the company's accredited construction laboratory, which performs construction materials testing in strict observance of the requirements of Russian national standards. The pool of highly qualified professionals and the large fleet of certified high-precision equipment allows efficient testing of the construction materials used in concrete mixture and mortar production. Concrete quality control at the development project is performed using non-destructive testing methods. No less important facilities for Rooppur are special-purpose vehicles, garage, and outdoor area for heavy equipment. Special-purpose vehicles garage is used for parking, maintaining, and repairing the equipment used in the transportation of nuclear fuels and solid nuclear wastes. Outdoor area for heavy equipment has been designed for performing loading, unloading operations, and storing the equipment, delivered directly on the Rooppur NPP site. To accommodate loading and unloading operations, it's been proposed to install an electrical gantry train with a payload of 32 tons and a lifting height of 18 meters. Next, Rooppur large-scale development on Rooppur NPP construction project is trestle overpasses installation. The overpass is a collection of structures that supports pipeline and cable routing to ensure an uninterrupted supply of power and fuels to the NPP main and auxiliary structures. A total number of trestle overpass lines, 22, with a full length of 5 kilometers. In the autumn of 2021, our company started producing steel structures manufactured by 7 factories in Bangladesh capital city, Dhaka. Rooppur specialists, together with colleagues from the Bangladesh Atomic Energy Commission, performed direct supervision of manufactured steel structures production process and quality. It should be noted that installing such structures will require over 12,000 tons of steel. Depending on the corrosive medium, the pipelines are either carbon or stainless steel. more than 25 kilometers of stainless steel pipes and more than 40 kilometers of carbon steel pipes will be installed on trestle overpasses. In NPP operation, the waste classed as very low-level active wastes is usually accumulated, which requires its due disposal. Rooipur has commenced constructing a very low-level active waste facility, which consists of the buildings designed to accumulate, sort, and stores this class's wastes. Before commencement of operations on the facility construction, our specialists had arranged a grout curtain, which prevents seepage of contaminants into soils and groundwaters. The operations included construction pit excavation to accommodate grout curtain in the volume of 225,000 meters cubed, as well as grouting works of over 15,000 meters cubed. The very low-level active waste disposal facility includes the following buildings and structures: administration and production building, weighing station, wheel washing facility for special purpose vehicles, transformer substation, sheltered area for special purpose vehicles, sheltered area for temporary waste storage, area for the temporary storage of construction debris with oversized materials sorting and breakage sector, receiving reservoir, regulating pond, waste storage section. Rooipur is completing the construction of a sludge dump with a clarified water pump station. Sludge dump has been designed to dispose of salty waters, come out of water treatment systems, and tailwaters from chemical treatment pipelines and equipment. This facility has been engineered as a 4-section construction, arranged by stop dikes and site-cast reinforced concrete reservoirs. There is a causeway running on top of the dikes to provide access for inspection. The causeway is adjoining on-site motor roads. The sludge dump includes solid waste section, liquid waste section, spent resins reservoirs, petrol reservoir, and also the clarified water pump station, a single-story building with a partially sunk envelope. Facility projected service life, 60 years. To construct the sludge dump with an area of 65,000 meters squared, over 160,000 meters cubed of sand and 20,000 meters cubed of concrete was used. The waterproofing area comprised 120,000 meters squared. Section number 2 is designed for the disposal of salty solutions after neutralization, as well as tailwaters. Solid waste can be carried by vehicle to hard stand sections number 1, 3, and 4. Section number 1 is provided to store dehydrated sand coming from silt sections of stormwater and sanitary sewer treatment facilities, as well as oil-free sludge. Section number 3 is designed to receive the resins used to operate the Rooppur NPP various units. The sludge, contaminated with oils and petroleum, will be dumped at section number 4. All works on Rooppur NPP construction are performed within scheduled deadlines, as set out by the design estimates and the project's method statement. Rooipur represents the joint effort of more than 300 dedicated professionals from Russia, Belarus, Ukraine, Moldova, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Georgia, and more than 2,500 highly valued, qualified Bengali professionals, engineers, and interpreters. We value professionalism and constantly work on improvements. In 2021, our company strengthened its competitive position and expanded its operations globally, establishing its branches and offices overseas. To this day, Rooipur takes part concurrently 3 ongoing projects of NPP construction NPP El Daba, Egypt; NPP Pax 2, Hungary; NPP Rooppur, Bangladesh. Our company is headquartered in Spain, Alicante. Exploring new countries and new projects, we always look forward to advancing our frontiers and consolidating our success on an intercontinental level on a global scale. The strength of the team is each team member, and the power of each member is the team. We are Rooppur World, and it is just the beginning.